Shake, rattle and roll. When the ground starts to tremble, do you know what to do? Our planet is like a giant onion with layers. The outer layer, the crust, is cracked into pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always on the move. When they rub against each other, it builds up tension. Like a rubber band snapping, the energy bursts out, causing the ground to shake. That's an earthquake. Now for the crucial part, your safety. Stay calm, find a safe spot, like under a sturdy table, and hold on until the shaking stops. Remember, it's all about staying safe and being prepared. Earthquakes can be sudden, but with the right steps, you can protect yourself. Stay informed, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving tips.